Creative grids stand out when you allow small variations without losing the overall structure. Today, how to explore creative grids. Open Canva and create a 1080 by 1080 canvas. Insert a grid frame layout but customize it by resizing one or two sections or combining smaller frames. Upload your images and drag them into each section, adjusting individually for balance. Select the background and apply a clean neutral tone. Slightly rotate or scale one image differently to break uniformity. Add subtle decorative elements like lines or shapes with reduced opacity. Use position tools to maintain consistent spacing across the layout. Add